What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. We have Candy come back, explain everything about how the vibe start between King Donia girlfriend, you know what I mean, and also reveal some things. You see me? How she stay and what happened the day when she and I buck up in at the house, cause the girl say them buck up in the house and Candy run go in our room, go lock up and hide. You know what I mean? So we are gonna get in at that, my people. Right now I'm kinda in a Starbucks. I go and sip my coffee. You know what I mean? So I go and go to the video same way, cause nothing no stop nothing, you know what I mean? The show must go on. So here we go on, See? King Donia did have Candy and the girl at the yard at the same time. You know what I mean? King Donia must did a try get her out of the yard because him find out say she and Candy can't get along. You see me? But guess what, my people? She never want left. She never want gone away. So she throw a tantrum. You know what I mean? Me I gonna make Candy explain everything. I'm going to my opinion on it, right? Also, my people who have TikTok police and we have Annie, you know what I mean, for them saga still a go on. So right now, I'm going to share with Uno the latest where them are going with, cause right now, TikTok police, it look like say, it might get to a level where anything or anything, you see me? So, we're going to get in at my people. So, that's what I have to share with you right now. Maybe by the time I finish do the video, I have more things to share with you. But right now, at this I have, so make we get in it.
Don't want to hear my side. Listen to my side now. Uno just listen, bro. If you not go listen, no go on charging. Don't tell me if you don't talk, because remember somebody dip on the live and I say chat, me I don't say if you know me not talk certain things. She start talk about the incident. So we are gonna talk about it then and done. Uno don't tell me nothing, bro. People either they attack and attack a bag of thing and weird thing and sit down in the comments and say bumbo class, so can this here, so that can, and then uno just run with the narrative. Them uno just listen to my side now and done. Me not care what come out tight after tonight. Because everybody in a wrong after what me go so now I understand everything, every pussy clap body in a wrong. Down to down here too. I me not give a fuck. And you go hear why me say so. Me go so bam and me stand up and me a listen. Me not go say a she yet, but you see after let me tell you how me know say a she. At the shade when she start shade over Snapchat, me know say a she. Cause me never know a who. You get what me I say? Me go so bam now and me stand up and me a listen. Me only hear when she start say, what the fuck you do? Let me say bad. Ray. And then like a dog I say, yo, go on in your yard, go on home. You def second day, you know your second day, go on in your fucking yard. You see it? And why you want me put me on fire, you know? You want me put me on fire so you can go call police and call your mother them for me, you know? That me hear. Then after him says so now, she lit the girl, brother me I tell her the girl psycho. She literally start scream, say, blood clot, tell me no, me not gonna. Bro, I swear for my daughter life, see my daughter ya. See my daughter ya right so. I swear for my daughter life. The man I tell her for go on home charge her, she start scream. Literally when me hear the scream, me I say, my friend me I wonder, brother like me literally they frightened. Me literally friend, I swear to God. I mean I say, bumbo clot, I want to go up there so. She starts screaming, me not blood clot gonna away, and you can't move me. I go to quiet so till the dog stop answer. Him not answer or nothing. Him not answer or nothing and him sit down. Me dead down there, me lay down on the bed and see when down here click him live. Him click him live and dead him. Me no know somehow down here go live every day so no now go know. He da click him live and eat and lean it up on the chair, but him never did it for one good while. I'ma go over there and the people them a say, I want to him good. Oh, me not see down here. And the man literally dead it and him go live. Me, I feel like so the reason why him go live because him knows that if him go live, she a go stop. She not go really a scream or a behave so. I swear to God. See it ya. Me swear upon my life, me the right to such charge it. Me dep on the live and me I say then, oh, cause him fear go on and the dog go live. Him start the live because him want prevent certain things. So till me not hear no more. Me not hear no more. And then after that him come downstairs. And I lie me I tell Chargy. And I lie legit. She a scream out and I go on the most way. So me I say, oh we reach a war. Oh we reach a you and knock down the door when you did up there. Yeah. And she say, she start screaming and she say, look there 3 months no meal if you find another girl. You find another girl already. Bro, literally bro, I swear to God Chargy. I swear dog, I swear bro. And me I say, in my mind me I say bumbo clot. So hold on, you tell me say I lie, me I tell you did that. And me did that and I'm literally dead. I'll hear everything you know. What the fuck you tell me say? I was there. What you tell me say? I'm gonna need to come tell lie. Me no need to come tell lie about that. The reason why I come talk about it because she said she knocked down the door and me could come up but me I tell her exactly what happened. Them did up there argue. The dog got tell her said like him I say yo you deaf say candy there your brother candy there go on in your yard. Go on in your yard. I say him a run and he said me here look a commotion like him she a try push him around. Me not go say she push him because me never see I listen me I listen. I listen me I listen. They get what me I say him man a try avoid her as best as possible. To me a ear cause I tell her to go home and she start scream and say she not go nowhere. Oh, the fuck them for left 3 months ago and him find new woman already and all of them something there. That means you never know something that go there. Because again, if him did tell you say, me I go there, why you would need to come downstairs for war me? You know say me I go there, right? You know say alright candidate, the only reason why you come check up on your man and cut or stay if you want to stay. If me evil come out, you heal me and whatever. Because you said you agreed with it. You agreed. Him tell you say, me I go there. So if you know say me go there, why you need to come downstairs, come beat down the door and me and you in an argument? Something wrong. But I say because the people them not like me, them nah meds. I say then that don't make no sense. A little time come downstairs. Bro, who remember when Zuma and Pops them got Westmoreland? And Zuma come out come say 2 girl a war over down here West. Who no think a war? A Shelly and blood class so she a war, you know. Shelly beat so she to sickness up of that, you know. Shelly a one slim girl, you know. So she a mash me? So she walk up and down and trouble Shelly and her that I wanna down ex them too. I trouble Shelly and her sister them and them beat she and her friend them I trouble them and them beat her to sickness. Shelly. Them beat her to sickness. So dog, bro, you see, that's why I know I come over here so I come home with my mouth because I know a lot. Me know a lot. Me know everything. Me know everything. I don't know nothing about careless, but if a man gonna tell me something, a man gonna tell me say yo. He gonna tell me something that me.
Alright, some people on the ear where can this say, right? Say the girl a throw tantrum, seen and King Donia say, yo, better you go on home, cause if such and such your people, you gonna tell your people them are ray. So it look like say King Donia know our people them certain way. And my people, let me tell you something, man. You see any woman where you know our parents them are on close like that, don't date them here because them are going in the relationship with you and the girl. You and the girl now go just in the relationship, the parents them are go in the relationship also because if anything go down, she are go tell them and them are go link you up and then ray. And them the type of girl they you hard to left them. You see what I say? So don't date no girl where too close to you. You know what I mean? When you're too close to them people or in your same community where you come from. You see me? It can work out still, you know. But most of the time, it's a very toxic kind of relationship. You know what I mean? You can't. It like you. If you don't know what I mean, people, it's kind of hard to explain. But let me know what I think. See, make a watch some more.
Work with him, I tell you something that you work with too. Baby girl, man, a wicked. Don't come by me. Don't come by me. Slushy and I, Shelly, beat the girl to sickness. And Shelly slim too. So, me. For the do in your yard, you come knock down door and me afraid for come out. Are you tiny, so? Me no ramp with girl when me a beat girl. You don't know no mommy? I don't worry, I don't worry, Me done. Can I see it? You over there say, oh, me can't repost, I want to repost on my phone. Yes, I hear phone. Nobody now say you can't repost, but me just show you where the troublesome part of you come in. Because if you're not trouble me, you're not care about me, you're not pressed about me, you're not bothered about me, why are you reposting people who disrespect me? Yes, I hear phone. Nobody now say you can't repost so you want to repost. Repost so you want to repost. But remember, you say you're not bothered by me and you not care about me, but yet still, everybody will diss me and repost. And you agree to it, say, yeah, you do it on your phone. And then the people, them are go, come now and make it seem like...
I did, bro.
Yeah, my make any vex today, dog.
You know, it's a big old risk.
Bro, you ask a question. Me fuck up, dog.
Eh?
Me fuck up.
You pass the test, man.
Bro, so why she make it look like me fuck up, dog?
I'll be just paranoid, bro.
Yo, differently say, I know I could have chat to you, dog, but one time when I had first, I said, oh, so why evil the dog did it? And the dog, I gonna make sure I did me so dog, and the dog would even say, yo, stop deal with the man. So I remember the man there, we do one night time when I show I go on and I
Yo, you do the right thing, dog. Just mommy ever just make her own choice, you see? So, I just not that, bro. No disrespect. Yeah, she got cuss me, I say, go, me take a cussing.
Bro.
She don't chop me, she don't kill me.
Bro.
As long as me alive, me good.
Bro, when me left the day, what me say me I go do? No, Ackee, what nobody not time for take him down. Me not take him down. Cause him dead with me right through and she say me a no pussy. Dead with me right through. I might have my moody time them. But brother, you see me wake up and in my mood, me stay to myself for all 2 hours so.
Yeah, dad, they don't know what going on.
And then when my back in myself now, me come back and me come out and me say, what go on Ackee? What go on all deal with it? Ray. Me tell them say Ackee, me explain something to them say. You see the car there? The car there limit is over $300,000 $50. You see me? And me limit the fucking card up there. So till me can't get no more money on the card, me I tell them that.
Bro.
It's not like say me draw 300,000 and me know where it do. And me not draw the 300,000 one time. Me I use it so I can't say it do this and it do that and it do that. It do everything.
Yeah. I understand, bro. 3 months.
So how are them, my dog?
Yeah, but they go easy though, bro.
Crazy man.
Where, cause you come down and get me a cousin now, you know?
No. Yeah, man. Yeah. They're going to the yard soon still. Go take a cousin.
Ackee. Me and her left because I play a match with Tony. Tell me.
Well, I know, I say Tony and it just bring down the family a couple of days before that.
Yeah, I understand that. Did Jaden do the same, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, I understand that. Alright, I'm going to explain something to you, bro. You know, so when I had Tony in the evening, me did down, me did upset, me did vex. My
Yeah,
other.
you should have played match with Tony and still that. No right
Alright,
now.
understand that. Understand that. Understand that.
You think it too hot, bro. Yes, I be a thing I go on all my phone people are calling and a bag of fuck in brother.
Tony and have nothing to do with that, bro.
Yeah. You know what?
Tony and say what she say, and best believe it, say right now, brother, Tony and come and say, no, baby, should I encourage the two of you, we share your laugh, brother.
Not even me can play match with Tony and brother. Right now.
No, you can, bro, but you make people are going in your head, bro. You can, bro, brother, she diss me. She diss me and she diss Anya, she diss you all away. Me not have nothing against nobody at all. If I pass Tony out the road tomorrow, I'm gonna heal her. Brother, I'm cuss her up and help me heal her road. Brother, me not live the app in a real life in a dog. And that's why things where them a do on the app now can't get me down. Me see them a put a picture with this and I put a picture with that can't get me down same way. Cause I'm gonna live the app in a real life.
Bro, you say I laugh,
catch some water, but after end my life I'm gonna catch you water.
But if you know still the car is too fresh, bro. Should I just make it breeze up a little bit better? See, but I look for no sorry for nobody. Just wow, just
yeah, we're not looking sorry for. But we say that is a good reason for me and our stop talk and no, the marriage.
I can't just that, brother.
That me I tell you, bro. That me I tell you, bro. Alright, me see her on a screen recording when she say me leave. Alright, me ask you, why am I left the day, Ackee?
Can you have things to do, brother?
What kind of things? Oh, I tell them, say, yeah, me have me youth. Alright, I see up on the screen recording saying I leave because her gift are not supporting her. Why am I gonna leave? Because fear gift are them not support me.
But brother, I don't know, that kind of confusing still.
Why am I gonna leave? Because fear support them not support she. Bro, Ackee, me and I have the reason already. Even the first time we go down, remember the bar where we go? Me, you, she, and I think I don't remember if I Jagger, but one of we did it. Remember the little space there where I said we're gonna keep a little part of this, sir? You know why we there made that? Because of the same reason where she give me. She said a lot of our supporters them don't support her anymore because them don't support me and her. So by right we are make some plans to generate some money. So that's why we are telling us we are gonna drop a party, or we are gonna drop this, or we are gonna drop that. Cause the whole argument was she I tell me say, oh, so come on, support bro.
There were people that say me free for play, man. I don't say play a match with no brother, but why would we play a match with the woman enemy? I don't know how the ladies stay. I not live to please her body, but to avoid certain contention and certain vibes. I not about to go there. There's so many other people to even play a match with. I not go look for play a match with woman enemy. Who I bring her down and what.
Melissa, Melissa.
Match with mix up people, so I not go play with them anyway.
Yes, you see the screen recording.
With even Jabas. Not even Jaded, I can't play match with the one of them. I'm not into the mix-up, guys. So I'm gonna play people who do mix. Even I know. You get me? So I'm not gonna look for goddess. So much as people were trying to bring out, they look like me. I try to build up a vibe. So me no want for myself either. Nobody now control me. You see me? Everybody are friends see because I wish you peace, you know, brother. I say about everything that go on and everything, brother. But I just say, brother. You see, Ackee had done. See, I'm going to shake. You can't read. You can't do no art. So yeah, talk anything you want to talk. So not hurt me. Me know me stay in a real life. So who don't know me? You can just talk anything they want to talk. Alright? Yeah. But anyway, still a peace and love, bro. You see it?
So all the car thief finger. Yeah man, peace and love, my father, man. I want to tell you, man, I want to tell you, say, if nobody never come do this now, I know you or me, cause brother, me kind of dog. Brother, when I see the screen recording yesterday when she grab the phone from me kind of bad, man, I feel away in the dog. And I say, what am I do? What am I do? How am I treat you so bad? That's your...
Alright, my people. So, more want to tell me what you think, right? If the style that we TikTok police have up, if it is a mama one style, or, you know what I mean, him get carried away and spend too much, and now him kind of regret spending that much. You see me I say? Because sometimes you can just, you know what I mean, like the card thing, and the money ready available on the card. Any little thing where you want, you just pop out your card, boom, 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 and even keep track of your thing. You know what I mean? Like some people when they use the card, me not say the dog not really used to cat still now, but remember when me first have a cat, you see me the least little thing more use it. I mean the money done fast when you have a cat. You see me I say should he complain or him should just make it slide. You know what I mean? Cause me know say Annie spend on him too. I mean I think she like mine or watch what she has spent. Let me know what I think.
Go do this.
Yes, bro. Yo, if I said, remember say, with everything with you we are going, some other things are going. People are sending prank messages, people are sending all kind of things, bro. So I just, the truth, not come off of the internet, bro. Everything up on live, everything are exposed. Nothing not really better. You see me? The relationship never private, bro. So I said that's why I keep my thing off of the media. You see it? So, now I got have them a problem. Too much people give advice, so that's the problem too. You see, too much advice on too much people, bro. If one somebody give advice, fine, but when 100 somebody give advice, tell us, you just do the wrong thing, bro. I feel even the wrong way too. But, bro, I just say, bro, yo, life not done, you know, life still a keep, you see me? So, nothing wrong right now if you just drop this my youth. She don't make a decision, bro. Just make it rest better. Let go for this better, you see me? So that's all I can say. Basically, I just move forward, dog. And everything they meant to be in a dog. You see, they can't force it.
Just go and prepare yourself when you reach on your yard.
Do I know? Me not have to go on this. All about cousin. Me can avoid my cousin.
Wait there.
Me can avoid my cousin.
Where are you?
Don't worry, me not give up my location. What's it crazy?
No, more. You there on any of them?
No, brother. With the road long time. Just a focus, bro. Right now, we have a new business for Sugar Road in that. Oh, yes, forgot to tell it to bro. Yeah, dog. We have a business partner. We have a kick off a thing. You see, we have sponsor some mothers. It's a grocery thing, you know. We can thing them. Oh, we call it again. So we can lay out this perfectly, guys. I'm gonna get back my paper.
Very careful. What's up? You alright?
Yeah, but get fast, you know.
Was this wicked person why Mika never declined the request yesterday? Guys, last night I scroll, I'ma see the screen recording when she grabbed the phone from Mika, bro. I mean, I said that, oh, that woman are wicked, eh? Oh, that woman are wicked, so. But mama tell him this. You see, she's street smart. She's not book smart. She's street smart. So she have a piece of brain where she will run around, so. And then she goes to book, cause she do book smart. So she go work the street smart part, and then when it come to the book part, she give up. I'ma block you. You could even brush your teeth from morning, stinking Alia. Alia, whatever you want name. You don't understand what I say? You not gonna understand me I say no, that's why I mega block you. I not talk for you understand. That's why I mega block you. No found not gonna understand cause uno say she. Say she, me not no problem. The only problem I have is more I know why she make it look so bad. I left for come deal with my daughter's school. That I left, boy. But you see true, I left the Saturday. I leave the Saturday. And she have a match the Saturday too, you know. Same shot I leave, she have a match too, you know. God not sleep now. Bubble, what go on? Mad, me no wanna mad. PMP? Where PMP I go? Guys, me I telling you this. Me hear she a talk about RT boss for send her this, for send her that. Me she chat. Me she talk up the things them. Me, the guys who chat, you don't know me, you don't have to send me nothing. But me she chat. Make she anything where you hear she have to chat say. And make sure I go make up that. Make sure I go make up that. Good father go and do. She never want me go.
Hey, my people, all man the dog did I go sell a coil, you know, and enjoy it back, you know. Ja no star. Boy, man, I tell you, my people, yo, TikTok, police, and Annie, or something else, you know. I mean, I tell you, my people, you see, after all of them foolishness, back and forth, here and cuss and bring down, watch how the two of them are going to get back together. Watch and see. Remember me did tell you, you know. Remember, say me did tell you, right? Watch and see.
She never want me go link my daughter, you know. She never want me go look for my daughter. She never want me go look for my daughter. But listen, guys, man, I tell you, you see, any day she start talk. I choose say, yeah, Elma there. I mean, I show you. You see, she, God have a beaten fear. God have a beaten fear. You see, Auntie Elma is a lady we help with. Help both me and she. Help both me and she. She not no money, Auntie Elma, send that. She not no credit, Auntie Elma, send that. Auntie Elma is a lady who help both me and she. Auntie Elma was my friend before. Auntie Elma was my friend before all of this. Elma called me every day, every hour. Check up on me. Me no come live from yesterday evening. Me no come live. Auntie Elma call me. And she alone call me. Nikki call me. To whole heap of people call me. So no depend Auntie Elma. Oh, me for deal with somebody and I call him Auntie right you. Me a clown. Bro, stop listen to hearsay, bro. God I go yo me say, bro, the woman help you, bro. The woman help you and the woman help me. And you go come on live and I talk about this and talk about that. Why you not tell the people them say you feel like you and Ackee walk there? Why you not tell the fucking people them say you feel like you and Ackee walk there? Tell the people them that. Tell the people them say yeah, Ackee walk there. Tell the people them say when me up there, when me asleep, Ackee walk sleep in a city, and when me not there, him sleep right on the bed beside you. Tell the people them that. As me say, I'm more tie up so till me hear things again, cause realize so you not stop, you know. You not stop. Remember I was there at your house. I know every creeps and every corner. I'ma tell the people them say, guys, you see, if I was there to carry her down, if me need dead to use her, chat more and to listen. If I was there to use her, would I go with my phone to take whole heap of picture? Wrong or right? Chat out with me and talk to me, want to talk to me. Wrong or right? No, hear what I say. She say, me come for use her for views and for this and for that and for thief her car. If I was there for views, my phone, what I go with, when I come back with, it would have full of picture. Because where she live, it not stay good none at all. So it would have full of picture. I go there and me a help her. I go up on top of her roof, go stop leak it. I go up on top of her roof, go stop leak it. Rain, me in there, rain a fall and come like a out of blood clot door me there. And the next morning I get up, I said, me nah go work with this. I said to her, I said, baby, get some stop leak. I'm gonna go up there, go stop leak it. She said, no, I'm not to do that because me I go change over the roof. Me I go just take off everything and change it over. I said, baby girl, by the time you said that, you know how much rain can fall. And we there so same way. And rain a fall out in that way if you had the one place so. I go up there the Sunday and I stop leak everything. I stop leak every blood clotting right now. If rain a fall down there she good. Right now if rain a fall down there she good. I give her money. I not go dead as a man or you hungry, me give her money. I not go dead as a man or you short or nothing, me give her money. Yeah, me I tell you now. So when she come and attack and I make it look like me a pussy, she are the pussy. And you see when you check it out, the first time me hear say me and her left because me play a match with Tony and wrong am right. Last time I left, you know, when we break up, you know, me hear say because we are play a match with me I play a match with Tony and now this morning me hear say true. Fear gift to them, nah give her, why me go away? Oh that bother me. Oh your gift to them, nah give you bother me. Guys, more want to listen, you know, and stop going like nah hear that, you know. That bother she. The gift to them nah support her, car them not support me and her together. That bother she. Someone not going like on a sense, you know. Someone not going like on a sense, you know. Now and then I try to get the phone up. Yeah man, a reality man. Believe no man. That's how she say. She say me left because
Alright, my people. So tell me what you think. In that breakup here, who do you think wrong in that breakup here? Who do you think TikTok police wrong or Annie wrong in that breakup here? See, let me know what you think in the comment section. People, look nice I got in the background. Just, you know what I mean, overlook that for now.
So we control Annie. Gifters, she love her. She said me left because me realize that she not getting the gift. I'm telling her say that I'm spend over 300,000 Jamaican dollar. 300,000 Jamaican dollar. 300,000 Jamaican dollar. I never stutter. I'm gonna explain everything to you now. You don't know that car there. Nobody don't know that car there. I gotta tell you why I spend 300 over 3. Why alright, I was spending money, I never dare watch when I spend. And when I call the card place, I realize say I spend over 300,000. Because one, the card have a limit for a month. Me never know say it have a limit. I'm a first car, this mega have first GK1 car, this way mega have. Me never know it have a limit. I when I call them now, me know say it have a limit. Cause them tell me $350 per month at the limit. You understand? My daddy. And it was like gaining somebody trust over again. So that's why I don't know if she did that really. I did try to gain back her trust over again. So I did kind of free-handed at the time. You see me? So at them time though, when I call the place now, I say, blood clot. That's so much money I spend. 300 blood clot thousand left. I tell you 300,000 at time about 3. I see the lady click live and say the most. I see the lady click live and say the most. The most. How you feel deal with somebody so? We only show your love and show you say they care. Guys, more want to know question yourself. More want to know question yourself. Mika add me yesterday. Me send Mika a request. You see me? And she answer me yesterday. Why? So when I see the screen recording, when she grab the phone from Mika and I chat this and I chat that, I say, why should I behave like this? And Mika said to her, you know, like Mika, the face expression of Mika one is like Mika said, Mommy, why you behave so? Why is she behave so? Me I work for myself now in a chat. And I swear to God, I would never, God, Father God. The last time I say I nah go back, then I go back. No, I'm not even telling you say I nah go back. I show more and show you say I nah go back. I show more and show you say I nah go back. Low life like a crutches. Low life like under your crutches. But me telling you say, guys, you don't make any sit down and disrespect you know. Please. Annie make the money and Annie not fixing up nowhere. Annie make the money and Annie not fixing up nowhere. Me go show you in a shop. Watch out. You see that? I show you in a me go and look at glimpse in a shop. Go now look at glimpse in a shop. Look in a shop chat. Look in a chat. So I go on. I'm look at machine there so when I wash my clothes. Yeah. And I have my 2 suitcases them over there so full of clothes. The black one full of clothes. The one the full of clothes. And my Clarks that. See my bag there. Yeah. Some people can't do this and beat me. Do this and beat me. Show in your shop, do this and beat me. Show in your shop. Show in your shop, do this and beat me. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat me. Show in your shop, girl. Show in your shop, do this and beat me. One more forgot. Me have 4 of them lighter for there, so you know 4. One go here, so. One over here, so. One for go right there, so this for cut out and one go there, so and one for go right there, so too. Where you see that bulb there, which way you see them, that come out, one for go right there, so. See them here? See them here? See them here? Alright, so the bathroom now. See, alright. This are the toilet and the toilet bowl. This are the toilet and the toilet bowl. Yeah. So it for go out there, so me I go fix up out there, so you see out there, so see the pipe hole and then I go show you. See the pipe there, and I see the shower part over just for this one. Yes, I just but the money kind of run out and now make the work kind of stall. But tell them do that and beat it. Tell them do that and beat it. Guys, alright, me I telling you the truth. You know, so I'm not really shit. I'm not really do that. I don't know. I hold it until when I can do it. So me I fix up me. I fix up me. I want to thank the whole of the people that support me. When, alright, may I show you, it's when me leave Christiana, I'm not left with no money. I leave with no money. Me hear Anya say, when me I go away, I gave her $18,000. I did not. Where the kitchen, we don't want a kitchen, the kitchen for your future. Me hear Annie say, I gave her $18,000 when I was leaving. I did not. When I'm leaving Christiana, I leave Christiana with 30,000 Jamaican dollar and 30,000 Jamaican dollar for my account. Yes. Alright guys, so the people just come in, let me show you again. Alright, so if you don't want to help me, you can't help because the work not finished yet. We just have to make the thing good, look good. Outer so, the bathroom I got the outer so. Alright. One door I go right there so. One next door I go right there so in the bathroom, inside the bathroom.
Boy, my people, the dog are doing things still, you know what I mean? They can't say the dog worthless or nothing like that. You see it from Annie go show him up and say him a SHIT in a pot. You know what I mean? The dog take him thing out of the ground. But he must spend so much money and have a project to deal with. Him should have limit or monitor where he must spend per Annie. You see what I say? So me know all the thing with people. Him have ambition still. You know what I mean?
Inside the bathroom, so you can't help me if you don't want to help me, guys. I know somehow just they have to bring down people who want to help me can't help me. And guys, my work, you see when my house I work on, Auntie, thank you. You see when my house I work on, I help them. My work, I intervene, I mix, I carry bucket, my work, I help them. Put up your PayPal, guys. I don't have no PayPal. But as me I say, when I was leaving Christiana, I left Christiana with $30,000. And remember, my intention was to get my daughter back to school stuff ready. Thank God, my baby mother did get some stuff already. Because $30,000 I can't get ready pitney for go back to school. $30,000 I can't do that. But because I'm not gonna say because my link my baby mother, my girl, she forget. You understand? And alright, you see if me dey up there and not contribute and not spend the money, you would hear something different. You understand? And guys, I don't know. Father God, if those kids willing to talk the truth, if them children they willing to talk the truth, bro, remember the day when me and Ackee walk just go down at the yard for the pit of them, cause me and I at the guest house, you know, me and Ackee walk come and me and Ackee walk go down at the yard for the pit of them. And me, she tell me what to do, yes? She tell me what to do, yes? But me carry them go places and buy them food for eat and still have to turn around and buy she food for eat and still have to turn around and buy Ackee food for eat. So you know mean? I tell you, say I spend that amount right now. I can't accept no more money for my card until next month. And next month, I can't accept money for my card. I can't get no money now. And come like I don't feel like a joking thing, bro. Bro, listen, bumbo clat and listen, the card there have a limit of 300. We're not going to go bumbo class school. The card have a limit of $350,000. $350,000. The fact say I can't get no more money pan it until next month. That simple fucking means say me limit the fucking card. And that me I try to get to understand. And at them time them sit down and me I say, blood clot, ask how much money me they spend. Me don't know where the 300,000 do. Me don't know where it do. But I max the fucking card and at them time they me I realize that me I spend fucking money. It's not like me draw 100,000. I say, alright, the 100,000 for go down there, so draw next 100, the 100 for go down there, so draw next 100 and so. It depends on the card and me I use the card overall. When me realize I can't accept no more money on the card, I call the place. I call the GK1 place. They explained to me that the card have a limit. They explained to me. I did it for around month and a half. I was there for around month and a half. I was there for month and a half. And me I telling you, say, oh me leave. This is how me leave with $30,000 per my paper, per me TikTok. After them limit my card. After them limit my card, I couldn't draw no more money off TikTok. Because I never have my TRN with me. I have my ID, I never have my TRN. So I couldn't collect no money. Even if I send it to somebody, even if I send the money to somebody and them supposed to send it back to me, I can't go collect it because I never have my TRN there. You lie for come on from my life if I lie me I tell Jankro and go over who not tell lie. My black is stinking ass yo. Chat me no want a man for my life.
Alright my people. So let me know one of the things. See, we'll go over Annie and you Annie I go on with.
If the man them for my life go suck on the mama and left I come off of my life. Me no want a long seed man for my life go suck on the mama.
Ackee walk you say walla with there so we roll together to blur not. And to a man come down here and pretend with we. You know, be a pretend the boy come down here come pretend with we and style we, you know. Just see some views, you know. And him not tell none of people them the real thing, you know, we really are going, you know.
Yeah, but I say, I not like a certifiers and done, because that even make no sense when I chat about me. No,
but me don't know why he can't do that, like me not get it.
Let's let it go, bro, let it go.
Alright, when him a left, he not give me money. The man give me money when he left. The man give me money and tell me, say, babe, come a Kingston, why you come a Kingston? When me and him left, me and him depend on bad terms. Say if a man yes, come in your yard, and it's your man, he must come help you in everything what you do. Yo, bro, me not say we even come out here and talk, bro, because everybody on the media, them a go jump with him. All the negative people, them they know say a gift and views him one.
Yeah, because they watch it, then the two are from, you know. Then the two are from about a chat. Me say, watch the people, when they over yesterday, over here, like a chat shit, they come up my life.
Bro, that's disgusting, bro. This disgusting. A man left from Papi.
I said to you, all cuss me. The people in terrible say, yes, and you go cuss them, say, me know, because I go tell her, be a fool because.
When me go cuss you for Ackee,
I know what I'm about.
Why mood I cuss you? Like, what you doing for cuss you, Ackee?
Exactly.
You know
I
how
know
they
that
say you help me. And we have a problem, we not go talk about what problem.
exactly.
So when we come for me, they come cuss about.
Yeah. Big on that, man.
Yo.
Thank you, Miss Morgan. Thank you so much.
Of course, I suck for suck. Ackee, give me a minute. Me no lie, me no want come. Remember your life different from mine, you know. You're a God, you know. I'm a godly, you know, but me just chat, you know. Me soon come.
Alright, do you right thing, man. Alright, yeah.
Hey, me telling you something about this mad man. So when me a talk, nobody feel like say me nah go suck a nigga. Of course, me I go do what me have to do. How you feel like me? They tell you say my mouth wire. You think say some glue up on my lip? Boy, I make love, me I make love too. You're not easy. You can't bother than me in making love. Or if you bother than me and making love. So me they tell you say him alone do the do. Him do the do, me I do the do. How you feel like? So when boy and me make love, eh? And you come here so and come go on like and tell lie on me. Oh you fucking look. Eh? Oh you look at the end of the day. You as a man come down here so. You understand me? This a man apologize to me. Look for me and tell me say would I never do that again. Promise me. And that him said to me, promise me. You would never go back on the media, go disrespect me and the two away promise. So when me in at the house, me I said to him, say, babe, to be honest, because I know me not trust him. And you tell me say this fucking little invalid. Come out here, so come do that. Eh? Come on, man. And you tell me say me just sit down and walk. Jagger. Hold on the chat. First thing first is a man I go tell you say me and Ackee Walker sleep in a bed. Like why would I do that to Ackee Walker? My Ackee Walker friend. Why would you do that to fucking Ackee Walker? Eh? That don't look good. What the fuck? Just some views? Eh? Big man, you're sick as fuck. I'm not lie to you. Something wrong with you. You need to go check out your fucking self. You hear me? I tell you, if you would do all of this, me find you sick. I swear to you, Pamela. See me house here. Come on, you come on. You don't know my flag. See me piece of place here. Me this get you what here, yeah. Me pay a little piece of money feed. Look here. See there, me buy a little piece of machine. The house not done yet. Me tap what here because a body and man distract me for true. Me not go around here. See them? Me blick off while I apply them. Yeah, see there. I want place where me this get. Me not no furniture, no nothing. You see me? Me not no furniture, no nothing. Me come here with us, my clothes them pa my back. You see me? And me get that, me buy that little piece of place here. And see it there, and me take time and renovate the place. Me distracted what they, of course, bro. But if you was a real nigga, you would do that. You're not a real motherfucking nigga. You're not a real motherfucking man. You is a bitch. And by the way, you are my bitch. Because if I can make you go on your knee, eh? If me, Annie, can make you go on your knee, eh? Just to some views, imagine what a nigga do to you. Bro, there's nothing for hide if you was a real nigga. Why would you do that? What me do to you, that's you that do that, bro. Just take a look, funny. Take a good look. Oh, but you're sick, you fuck. I swear. Like, I'm just over it. Like, I'm just over it. I'm really over it. And like, me talking about you, I realize that you get views, so that help you, so everybody can come sorry for you, you see me? These are just views for you. You get what I say? So it's all about the views, because you know nobody over there. When your live go down under those 200 people, nobody now tap up his scream. Bro, cry for what? You now go see no yai what out of this a girl yai. You now see no yai what out of this a girl yai. So nobody come look for cry, nobody right no cry today. You see me? All when I talk about me you, them my place. Of course, guys, him give me $20,000. He gave me $20,000 for fix a car. I did $50,000 for fix my car. $50,000 for fix my car, and he give me 20.
Him buy me handbag and him buy me some few local stuff. You get me? And when him there here, me spend as well. You get me? Because me I know one girl like this. Me I go make sure everybody good. You understand me? He gave me $20,000 to make up and fix the car. When him a go away, him give me $18,000. And him did it with me, him stay the day. And him come back and take back money out.
Alright, some people, and in a deny say the dog spend some money on her, but she has say, boy, I know so much. You see me? But you easily forget distracted, you know, my people, and spend money where you don't even remember say you spend, you know. You see me? I say, so maybe you spend that for real. Is it? So, let me know what I think.
$18,000 say he spend money for me pitney them and he end up spend half the money. I may have to give him back $8,000 out of $18,000 he give to me. You understand me? When he might go up. So me don't know where the one bag of life and me don't know where the one bag of fuckery for, but we are gonna talk. You know ready? I don't want me mute. You don't want me mute. I don't want nobody tell me nothing. I don't want to tell me. I'm not hypocrite. Me sooner over there. I'm not hypocrite. So when I do this, I'm going to cook my food. I don't want nobody talk to me. I'm going to just cook. I don't want nobody talk to me. I'm going to go in my comfort zone and I don't want anyone speak to me. A lot of you are so hypocritical and wicked and terrible. All woman will come reason with me, you know. All woman will come reason with me, you know. They over there for my name and disrespect me, you know. I'm afraid that you like a post and I don't give a fuck what you have to say about me. I don't give a fuck. You understand me? Because when I see truth in our face, I want to still with us run with anything because I want to eat me. I don't care. I'm not begging no like. I'm not begging no like. Look here. I don't know if you fall in love with a nigga, you know. It's how the nigga treat you, you know. It's not a crime for me if you fall in love with a nigga, you know. It's how the man come out and treat you. Because if he did make we left on a manly program, nobody will come on. Me know people that more rate him. If me and him walk up on a more manly type of thing, and this time we no cuss and drag down each other and bury each other, we could have do that. We could have do that because me and him depend on the media and me and him them a drag. So when him feel like him do this now, you think them are going to take him out of the dress and the skirt them? And know them know say you is a sugar blood clot chuck. I know them know say you is a sugar blood clot chuck. You think so when you do this to me and turn pa me, them are gonna take you out of the blood clot dress? You think so them are gonna change you from out of the dress and G-string when you turn pa me? You make a sad mistake and know them know you. And know them blood clot know you. That me a blood clot tell you. A whole heap of things me can't talk, Kevin. But me just a hold back because you're demonic. Because when you did have my pussy tongue in your mouth, you never have a problem. When you come down and apologize to me, and you have my pussy tongue in your mouth, you never did have a problem. When you bite me and sauce me and lick me for my Ackee, you never have a problem. So oh no, you have a problem. How? You have a problem now. How you gonna talk about the family now? But you did down here pretend like everything is good. You were here telling everybody that you're good and you love Annie. So how it turn out now you reach your yard and talk about you have pitched all of these things. How, Kevin? I'm just saying. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Tell me if you're ready. We are going down a road, you know. On a wall on, you know. On a wall on. I want to sit down. I want to know if on a wall on, I want to know if on a sit down, because we are going down a road, you know. You never hear it? Go down a Manuel Road, Galang boy. Vigo broke Crackstone, Galang. Wall on, you know, because we are going around the corner. And you know why when we go around the corner, so? On a drop. So make sure so on a wall on. Now, Kevin, when me talk my truth and walk off, me don't, not even tomorrow. Guys, I promise you, me never want to come with this. I want to end up just do me thing. Never did want to continue upon this because somebody called me last night and said to me, say, Annie, please don't mention that boy the name. And if you ever know the person who called me, but me not going to call the name. respect to the person. I would never expose people who love me. Somebody showed me last night and said, Annie, please me, I beg you. No call back that bumbuckler drunk or shit mouth boy name there. But you see you come out here so. And I just want to come so boops and I just want to make a talk. Cause you see man like you are wicked, bro. Me not lie to you. A sickness this. This me call this sickness. Cause my head not good enough. Cause sometimes my head go so you know. And next time my head go back so you know. And my head come back so you know. So my head go you know. My head not too right you know. So if me box somebody way madder than me have to run. If me box somebody way madder than me, you know, me have to run, you know, because me not lie, you know, fee madness upgrade. Fee madness at 2,000 madness. You understand me? Me can't manage 2,000 madness with 1994 madness. A upgrading madness that. You understand? You's a mad motherfucker. You're sick as fuck. No, we're not ready, right? Tell me so not ready, so ready. If we're not ready, so ready, because we are go down the road and me are telling us so we're not scream record, do it good. Do it good. We are go down Emmanuel Road, tap up a scream. Thank you, baby. Bless up a scream. We're not ready. Just put ready. Everything just a go there on the front line. We're ready. We're ready, right? Alright. No, guys. First thing first. Yes, me can admit it to everybody said I bought that ring. I do bought that ring. Wanna sit down? Wanna sit down? I bought that ring. Kevin don't not buy the ring. I bought that ring. Him say him never get no pay yet, so we buy the ring. Right? Where Jagger said it was true. The engagement, when the engagement go on, it was not a real engagement. What Kevin did want us to do, he did want to put on a scamming wedding. So we could have scam people and get money and get gift. Yeah. I wonder if you can sit down and talk. It's not a real engagement. You understand me? It's gonna get one of the biggest scammer of her life. Well, I'll make a plug in this. Wanna give me some charge now? Where the charger there? You see, Auntie Elma was gonna get one of the biggest scammer of her life. You see, when I ask him say if it's a real wedding we are gonna put on, because to him I act like say him want to get married, me and him talk about it. Him say him want me and him to put on a wedding, but him want it to be fake. Because him want to scam the people them we are send money to him, especially Auntie Elma. You understand me? Me and this boy do not engage. And me buy the ring. You understand? Give me something for drink. No, me get you off of my back because you feel like you have nothing over me. You don't have nothing over me. Right? Kevin, aka TikTok, did want me and him to put on a scamming wedding. So him could have made good money out of the wedding. When I ask him, say, if me and him go put on a real wedding, no, him no want that. What him want to do is to get a pastor from Papine, somebody where he can pay. For there the wedding, and act like him is a pastor. You understand what me I say? When me realize that everything we want to do is just all about scamming, nothing about no love, no innate. That the time that me and him have a problem. You understand? So when you not talk about engage, no, we're not engaged. It was about making money. It was not about no love. You understand? No, una ready? Come here one day for no ready. Una
Me people, me I tell you now. You see, at this point, if me did believe in them people up on TikTok, more that, would believe nothing what them say. You see me I say, at this point, more believe nothing what them say. If me did believe in them from morning. And that's why me take everything what them do and say as entertainment. Because enough time them can tell we and sell we story and then them can tell we say nothing no go so and tell we otherwise. Make me know what to think. Make me watch some more.
For ready up for them something, I know. Una have to ready up. Please ready up. Una ready? Say ready. Una no want hear the truth. Una no want hear the. Me no want hear about really, Annie. Me no want hear about no really. Me want to know ready for the truth. That dirty stinking Squidward boy never buy a ring. You understand me? So we're not engaged. Stop calling my fucking name. Do not call my name. You're evil. And no matter what me I got through, you don't give a fuck. You understand? No. Me tell you what go on. You see one time Kevin, aka TikTok, come down here. Him have him woman. And I remember the fat girl where him there with, the one with them same car boom down Sunday. Him and the girl they work together. You understand me? The fat girl where on the scene of the picture, him and the girl they there for a very long while. Some of the time the two of them make up, and I tell you this, anything what Kevin want to do, I could have a scam a woman or anything like that, she agree with it and she go one side. You understand me? She agree with everything. We are talking about the fat girl where they are popping. She know about everything what go on. So is a girl know say Kevin go they go fuck on her and him there with a white girl or a girl from overseas to get money and she sit on one side and watch Kevin do all of this. You understand me? No, watch this now. You see one time Kevin come down here come apologize to me and tell me say I'm sorry. You see the woman will bill Kevin house and give Kevin all of that blood clot money there. Him left the woman today and come down at my yard tomorrow. I want to know listen. You see because him know say me rate him, that's the reason why he come and style me. Because he know how me feel about him. It's just the truth. Right? Him left the woman here, you see, he left the woman yesterday and come at me yard today. You remember the time when me tell you to say me couldn't find him on the media? Me don't know where him there. All of my message when me send to Kevin, him take it. And send go give the woman a foreign. RT boss, me there, you know, me need to talk to you, you know, RT. RT, bless up your girl and get up your girl and make me and you talk, RT. You need for there, you know, them suck me. You see me? You see the woman, right? We build up a house for him and fix up a house. Him left the woman today and come at my yard tomorrow. All of my message them when me text him in a WhatsApp, him tell me go give the woman. You remember the time when time me in at the house and me win the dare game? Him delete the whole of the message because him and the woman texted in at the phone. But in my case and go delete it. You understand? You see the day when time him left from round at the guest house, him text the woman the same day when him left the guest house and we go pick him up back. Him a text the woman and tell the woman say for there in foot. And you me want on my foot. That time me and him there at the guest house up there. The big woman cut him off. The woman cut him off because the woman she say him is a user. You understand me? So the woman cut him off. And just the woman money him want and the woman figure him out. That's the reason why him couldn't put the woman on social media. The woman says she not make him put no picture on social media. Because he figure out say be a style him a use. You get what me I say? Him a use big woman for their money and for where them have. So the woman figure out him style. You understand? So when him come down here, the same woman where you see, that's the reason why you see the house now gone away. The woman stop sending blood clot money. The woman stop sending money. The woman figure out say he's a motherfucking shit. He's a piece of shit. And the woman see the style. Alright, watch this now. You see when the big woman come down, come link him at Jamaica. You don't know say when next woman come down, come link him same time. Eh? When the big woman come link him at Jamaica, One another big woman come meet him. That's him a try to name out the two of the big woman them one time. So you know the pussy do? Him introduce the other woman to the next woman. So him introduce wifey to matey. And the woman figure it out, say a style thing. So the one time he fuck the girl, one of the girl them say she a breed.
My people want to tell me this, right? Which relationship on TikTok is without the man I give the woman bun? Tell me which relationship on TikTok is perfect. See, almost the whole of them, the man I give the woman bun. Or the woman I give the man bun, but we don't know because the man no come talk. Or the woman no come talk in some of the case them, but the man them a give them bun. You see me I say, that's why I tell you, say, you can't just leave a man so because he might give bun. Because of the same thing you're going to end up in. You can't run from that. You see me I say? Me know what I think.
So from him here, so the woman a breed him a run. The big woman will have the money that the woman they figure him out. So the woman cut him off. Oh, no soak it in our brains, man. Me I tell you about a blood clot boy. We a walk and scam big woman pan blood clot internet. When you am batty and pussy. For anything, you would have do any blood clot thing. You would have am batty, you would have am pussy. Anything you would have blood clot do for views. Wanna come? We not done yet. We not done yet in a drunk room. You only fool, me fool enough to go there with your back. You. The woman did love him. The woman did really into him. The woman did really into him, but the woman realized him obsessed over the media. No sis, me not call out nobody name. Me respect her. Me respect people. Yeah, me have to respect the people that will come around me. You see the woman did love him. That the woman would do anything for him. But the boy obsessed over the media no blood clot. You get what me I say? So when the media drop, him have a problem. You understand me? That the woman that would have give him any blood clot thing. But when him see same thing now rise by the media or him want, him come back round to me. When him realize same views them now go up and him now get the gift them when he want, him come back to me. You hear me I tell you? When him a tell me, when him come down come tell me same left the woman for me. Him same give up everything for me.